Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tristine and this morning I'm with Kevin Davis. So kung familiar siya sa inyo, I'm sure. He's a wedding photographer but also shoots baby photos, family portraits, yan. He's been shooting since 2013. Ay, 2013. Yes. Pinatanda ko naman. 2013. So going 7 years. So today we're going to give you tips on how to achieve your dream or how to achieve great, beautiful maternity photos. Actually, yung maternity photos namin, some were featured. One was featured in Manila Bulletin. Also, one photo was featured din kay Baby and Breakfast naman yan, sa social media nila. Yun, so 5 tips. We're going to talk about 5 pointers. I'm going to start with number 1, photographer. So, ako yung magbibigay ng tips, syempre. Pag si Kevin, medyo baka bias, diba? So, sa photographer, my tip or my suggestion is, i-research mo na yung photographer. Well, it's good kung kakilala mo siya. Kung hindi naman, i-check mo yung portfolio niya. Ano ba yung style niya? Ano ba yung... Ako, nagustuhan ko kay Kevin maliwanag yung mga photos niya. Kasi me din, gusto ko maliwanag yung mga photos. Meron kasi iba, medyo dark yung pagkaka-edit, ganyan. Also, he loves shooting outdoors, and me too. I love shooting outdoors. So, ganun eh. Hahanap ka nung photographer, yeah, kasi it's a collaboration. So, hanap ka ng photographer na swak sa taste mo. So, yun.
Yep. And that's why, kapag collab kami ni Annie.
Yes. So, next is, ikaw na to, number 2, location.
Yep. Location. It depends actually kung sino yung sinushoot mo. Well, with Anne, personal preference niya kasi is outdoor and beach, which I love too. No? Sa mga upcoming moms dyan na gusto mag-maternity shoot, make sure na lang na you know what you like. Or it's either if it's outdoor or indoor. Marami kasing locations eh. So yun lang, know your preference, know what you want lang.
Ayun. Ako kasi, I'm a beach person talaga.
Yep.
So, sa Liuliwa kami nag-shoot. And the good thing about Liuliwa, ang daming spots, no?
Yes.
Meron part doon, pine
Forest.
trees.
Yes.
Tapos meron yung parang bridge.
Yes, actually.
And nakaraming shots din tayo doon. And then, yung waves, ang
Yes.
ganda niyang going background.
Sunset.
Unfortunately, hindi tayo nakapag-sunset shot, but
Yeah.
it's the sunset sa Liuliwa is also very beautiful.
Yeah.
So, yun. Siguro, hanap ka ng location na maraming sets, maraming layout yung pwedeng gawin para kahit isa na lang yung location mo, marami ka ng layout.
Oh, but you were able to do sunrise photos.
Sunrise yung
Yes.
sa amin pala.
Gumising kami ng around what time? 5 o'clock?
Oo. No, actually, 5 minimake-upan na ako.
Minimake-upan ka na, yes.
Yeah, oo. So, yun. Aside pala sa photographer, balik tayo kanina, pati yung makeup artist mo and yung stylist mo, dapat alam mo yung style nila. Kasi kunwari, I wanted a beach shoot. So, I actually tapped Meg Reyes. Kasi si Meg very light, no makeup yung
Very
dating na.
relaxed.
So yun, hi Meg, hi ka naman sa friend natin.
Hi, kumusta yung puso, Meg?
Oh my God.
2020 na.
Bawal na daw marupok. So yun. Yun lang, sa suppliers mo na photographer, stylist, makeup artist, yun. Make sure na alam mo yung style nila. So alam mo na it matches yours. Yan. Tapos sa location naman, si Kevin nakita ko may iba siyang shoots na sa coffee shop or indoors. Para may sample din kayo ng indoor na pegs.
Yep, nagkaroon kami ng coffee shop kasi yung soon-to-be mom na yun, she's a barista. So,
Barista siya. Oh, yung bagay sa personality niya.
Yes.
Again, personality talaga. Or kung merong, parang meron siyang sentimental value sa'yo.
Yeah.
So, yan. So, let's move on to item number 3. Item number 3 is outfits. Ayan. Ikaw, anong
Wala ko sa
masasabi mo?
outfits, ang unang tinatanong ko sa client is, actually sila pa nang natanong sa akin, Kev,
Oo.
anong ma-advise mo na outfit sa amin? You know? Well, ang una kong sinasabi is, yung comfortable ka. Okay? Kasi ang daming options, you know? Pero ako kasi I'm more into the relax side na outfit. Yung mga loose lang, like long sleeves, lace, wardrobes, and all. Ayoko na yung yung long gowns. I don't know, that's not my preference, you know?
Yeah.
Like yung sa'yo, with the...
Lace lang din siya.
Yeah, lace. And then yung...
Na robe.
Yeah, meron siyang shoot nung nasa... What do you call this?
Saan?
Surfboard.
Surfboard.
Yeah, anong suot mo nun? Andito siya. Itong photo na to.
I know, swimwear.
Yeah,
it's appropriate. Ako, about outfits, I think, syempre number one yung appropriate din.
And that, yung magmamatch sa location.
Oo, appropriate sa location. And also, ito, isa to sa mga nabasa ko na tips kasi nagbasa-basa din ako nun. Since it's a maternity shoot, you find outfits that will accentuate, that will show your bump.
Yes.
Kasi yun talaga yung bida sa shoot yung baby bump mo. And sabi nga nila, hindi na, mamimiss mo daw. Yun, kasi hindi ka naman laging ganun.
Yes.
So, yun. Find outfits that will show off your bump. Kaya ako nun, two-piece talaga.
Yeah.
Ayun. Also, yung robe naman na white is para iba-iba lang. Kasi dapat iba-iba yung outfits mo, di ba? Para sa iba-ibang layout. So, yun.
Kaya huwag kayong matakot na, what do you call this, mag-mix and match and mag-try ng outfits na hindi nyo gaanang sinusuot. Yun nga yung sinasabi ni Ann kanina, yung make sure you have an outfit that will show your bump. So basically, medyo kita yung skin nyo. So don't be afraid of that. Kasi first and foremost, we're doing maternity shoot.
It's art. It's art talaga. Yeah. Now, let's go to item number 4, props. Ako sa props, dinala ko yung dog ko, si Coco. Ayan, so yan, ipa-flash namin sa screen yung mga shots na andun si Coco. And also yung isang beach dog na natagpuan lang namin na
roaming
short
around lang.
diba? Beach
black?
dog siya.
Black, no?
No, it's brown.
Oh, brown.
So, ginamit namin siya. It also, kasi, kaya naging maganda sa picture yung beach dog. Nakadagdag siya sa pagpapakita kung what liw-liwa is.
Yep.
Mas laid back din, ganon. Ano pa bang ginamit kong props? Ultrasound ni baby, the first ultrasound. I also brought a book. Nagdala din ako ng beach hat, bag, mga ganon. Ano pa ba? Yung ibang ginagamit na
Well,
props?
ako, personally, again, no, I'm not into the flower crowns and all. Gusto ko kasi...
Ako din, same tayo.
Yeah, gusto ko kung may props naman, yung magmamatch dun sa venue namin. Like, what we did nung sa beach shoot namin. Kung ano lang yung nakita namin dun.
Ako, I wanted it to be more natural.
Yes, natural, yes.
Kaya ako, I have nothing against people na
me too,
nagga-gown sa
me
mountains
too.
or nagga-gown sa beach.
That's your preference.
That's your preference, but that's not me.
Yeah.
So I did not do that.
Yeah.
Hindi ako nag-follow sa crowd. Parang ganun.
Ako kasi, the reason why ayoko or ina-avoid ko gaano yung mga props kasi you're going on, I mean, you'll be shooting on a beach, you know? Tapos may dala kang props. So parang mababox ka lang dun sa props na yun instead of you roam around. Ang dami magandang spots So, yun yung sa akin.
Ako naman, if you want a lot of props, siguro studio shoot
Yes, studio shoot, yes.
Then isi-set talaga yung studio. May backdrop, and then maraming hanash-hanash sa side. Yun. So, you should consider a studio shoot din. So, that's for props. Now, we're down to our last item. Poses. Ayan. Ano mga pose yung ano mo?
First and foremost.
Ano ba yung pose na pinakagamit, but okay lang kay gamit siya kasi it always works.
Like this, siguro. Showing my bump. Well, of course, we're doing a maternity shoot, so dapat i-focus mo yung bump ng mom. The usual poses, of course, the cliches. Yung mga ganito lang, or yung mga ganito lang.
Basta really showing off your bump.
Yep.
Ako sa poses naman, huwag niyong kakalimutan ang magic ng Pinterest. Diyan ako naghanap ng mga pegs ko talaga. Sa Pinterest. And also, si Andy Eigenman.
Yung mga pegs. Yes.
Actually, ang pegs ko noon, dalawang Andy. Andy Manzano, when she was pregnant with Amelia.
Mm-hmm.
And Andy Eigenman, when she was pregnant with, is it Lilo or Lilo?
I don't know.
Lilo yata.
Hindi Siargao?
Yeah, the second
yeah.
baby.
Okay.
So, yun. Maghanap ka ng pegs mo. It's okay naman to be inspired by the works of others.
Yep.
Hindi ka naman nanggagaya nun eh. Parang nagdodraw ka lang ng
Inspiration lang din is, well, yung sa akin, ang una kong sa mga advices na ba tayo? Wala.
Oo.
Okay. Sa akin, yung first advice ko sa mga soon-to-be, or may soon-to-be moms, if you want to have maternity shoot, is look for your pegs that will suit you. Kasi, isa yun yung reason para maging comfortable kayo on the set. Kasi you know what to do, you know what you want na makapag-collaborate ka na with the team and all. So, yeah, find pegs that will suit you.
Yeah, and also, it makes the work easier for everybody. Kasi, pag andun ka na, pack ka na lang ng pack. Kasi alam mo na yung gusto mo gawin. Yes. Kasi minsan awkward yung dire-diretso lang nag-shoot yung photographer, tapos ikaw hindi mo na alam yung susunod mong gagawin, diba? So, practice din. And yun, look for pegs.
And before kayo mag-shoot, no, parang for me, chit-chat ka muna with your subject. Like, have a cup of coffee, or drink beers, pero bawal lang beer sa mga preggies. I mean,
bawal din kape. Basta yun, ano muna, chat-chat
para maging comfortable muna kayo sa isa.
Yes,
Hindi yung bigla ang shoot na lang kayo. Kasi medyo awkward yun. Based on my experience. Actually,
the more comfortable you are with the photographer, the more natural yung mga will be.
Yeah, yung mga outputs.
And also remember, the first few shots talaga, medyo ka pa eh. May walls ka pa. But the next few 100 shots, ayan na, medyo nag-let loose
parang
ka na.
Warm-up shoots.
So, hayaan mo lang. Go lang ng go.
Yeah.
Shot lang ng shot. Shoot lang ng shoot. Ayun. So, yun. So, I hope we were able to give you useful tips na magagamit niyo. And good luck sa maternity shoot niyo. Yun.
More photos.
Hire niyo si Kevin. So, yun. Kevin, thank you so much for joining me in today's vlog. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.